What's going on, guys? This is Michael David Morris, known as Morport, back again for another video. Today I'm going to be installing Luxe Auto's Dodge Challenger tint divider, or kind of like a taillight divider. I got this in the mail recently. I got this and a couple other decals from Luxe Auto, but today's video is going to be focused solely on the taillight divider. Taillight divider goes right here, of course, towards the center of both taillights. This right here is like a satin black matte finish mixed with the decals actually coincides with the American flag the side window decals that I have currently that I'm going to install as well. But let's go right ahead and jump into this quick and easy installation. It looks so high quality. Like, it really does. Like, if you look at it, it does make a huge difference. You know, it gets super annoying when there's scratches and such there. You know, if you guys know what I'm talking about. So that actually changes the game. It looks much different. Like, I'm thinking about putting a logo in the center, maybe a Morpart logo, or maybe like an Alpha Pack logo or something, but that looks entirely crazy. I'm telling you, just look at it. So if you guys enjoyed this quick video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you guys haven't, also favorite and share this video. This is Morpart saying now, and I catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.